Hello, good afternoon. I'm Chef X of the pantry here at Dusitani, Manila. Today I'll be cooking chicken halang-halang for you guys. You will be needing garlic, chopped onions, sliced ginger, sliced turmeric. But if you don't have turmeric, fresh turmeric, you can use turmeric powder. Slightly pounded lemongrass stalks, fish sauce, some chili if you want it spicy, chili leaves, some green papaya, and oil for sauteing, and salt and pepper for seasoning, coconut milk, and chicken. First thing you need to do is you heat up your oil in a deep pan. You can add your onions, garlic, your ginger, your turmeric, and you saute until it's fragrant. While this is cooking, you can start to season your chicken. Just remember that you have to pat it dry para the water won't boil on the pan. You season with salt, keeping in mind that you will add fish sauce, so be careful in seasoning with salt, and black pepper. Once you season the chicken, you can add it to the pot already. So you cook your chicken until it's a little bit brown on all sides. So now your chicken is a bit brown now. You can add your fish sauce. So you just stir it a bit for a minute or so, and then you can add your coconut milk. So once you've added your coconut milk, let it simmer gently, not to overboil it, to avoid curdling the coconut milk and splitting it. And then we also want to add the lemongrass now. And just let it simmer there for about 15 minutes. So at this point, if you see your coconut milk is getting a little bit thick, you can add a little bit of water to thin it down. You can also add your green papaya. This is just before the chicken is cooked all the way through. When you're happy with your seasoning already, you can add your chili if you want it to be a little bit spicy. Chili leaves. Just cook it for about 30 seconds until the leaves are wilted. So once the leaves are wilted, it's time to plate. So this is our chicken halang-halang with a spring onion on top and some sliced chili.